Hello, friends. This is Anushka Sharma again back to our channel Manifest Kar. And today, as ongoing in our self improvement journey and skill learning journey for English, today I'm going to do a extempore, a kind of like speaking for a topic, or it could be a 2 minute to 3 minute speaking. I will guess the time through my inferences. Like, I'm not having watch in my hand, so I'll speak about manifestation. I chose the topic manifestation and subconscious mind because this is the um, topic which I know a lot, about which I read the books, and about which I have experience. So it would be a little bit easier for me to pick up the topic as it's my first try, and I'm at my basic level. So for the basic level, it's okay to choose any topic about which you know a lot. So I don't need to think while speaking. Once I'll start, I'll continue to speak for 1 to 2 minutes about the same topic and telling about the same topic. Whatever comes to in my mind, I will just translate it into English and I will try to use the vocab. And also, whenever I didn't get any word for the Hindi word, I will search it and I will learn it. And in the following days, I will apply those vocab words to improve my English and remember them, so that at the end that would help me. So actually, I don't know why whenever I start the camera, I came in front of camera, I try a lot to keep myself calm, but I don't know, I really don't know why I'm getting a lot of hesitation, a lot of sweat over my face. I'm getting nervous, but I shouldn't, because here only I'm alone here. I'm all alone here. I'm just in front of camera. No one is watching me right now and no one is judging me. Still, I don't know why I'm hesitating. Okay, so let's start about. So my topic is subconscious mind and manifestation. When we hear about manifestation, very first thing comes in our mind. What is manifestation? Is it praying or what? So for understanding manifestation, we need to understand the mind. Actually, we all have mind, and biologically there are two parts of our mind: subconscious and conscious mind. Conscious mind is the active mind, is the immediate reciprocator through which I am talking, I am thinking, and the current activities, the immediate activities, the thinking I am doing is with the help of conscious mind. Another mind is the subconscious mind, in Hindi which is called avchetan, avchetna, subconscious, avchetna, avchetan. Okay, so subconscious mind is the inactive part of the mind, just below the active mind, just below the conscious mind. There is a subconscious mind. Just like subconscious mind is a back end worker, someone who is something working in the background. Like we are breathing, we all are breathing, we are digesting, we are doing a lot of nervous activities. Our nervous system is working. Somewhere I got tore in my skin, and then it repairs itself. Many other activities in my body which are circulating and working, but I am not like aware about it. I'm not thinking like I'm breathing, I'm not focused on my breathing, but I am breathing, I'm inhaling, exhaling. So all that activities which are keep going in background, like my heart is pumping, but I'm not focused on listening about it. Yes, my nerves are uh, pumping the blood and all, my blood is circulating throughout the body. I'm not thinking about it, but that work is being completed by the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind knows everything. When we compare about memory, conscious mind has a limited memory, but the subconscious mind has a vast memory. It can store a lot. It can store habits, natural patterns. For example, whenever we go to the route we have gone thousand times earlier, we already know how to go. We will not focus on it that I'm going on right or wrong. Just like it's a habitual thing. It's too hot here, so I'm really sorry. Like, I'm sweating, and but to shoot video I come here for the lighting. Let's continue. So the power of a subconscious mind, whenever we think or imagine anything in a mind, because a subconscious mind work on imagination, and it can have illogical, intuitive, amazing, impossible, impractical visuals. Like whenever we are asleep and we got Dreams. Our dreams, what do you think dreams are a result of? Our subconscious imaginations. Our dreams are a result of our subconscious imaginations, yes. But conscious mind can think only logical thinking, practical thinking, and the things that can actually and really happen. So manifestation is what? Manifestation is believing on your subconscious mind and using the power of your subconscious mind in a right way, in one direction, and a more effective way. We all do manifestation, but we don't know about it. Whenever we pray, praying is also manifestation. Praying is just manifestation. Manifestation is the repetition of anything, or repetition of any of your desire, asking for it and asking to your destiny. We must like, if I want success in YouTube, I wish, yeah, may I got success, may I got this, and please God help me, and all these are all manifestation, but we are not doing in right way. If we manifest or pray in the right way, we can achieve success. Manifestation doesn't mean like don't do anything, just sit down on the floor and say, I'm getting this, I'm getting this, I'm getting this, you will get. No, it's not about that. When we imagine our goal, like I have pasted a picture of a car on my wall, and I regularly watch the picture on the wall, and I continuously say in my mind that I have to achieve this. Whenever I got the idea in my mind, I have to achieve this, my mind will work hard, more harder, and in the best effective ways that will help me to achieve that car. I got the ideas to work and work in smartly in different ways. Working hard or working is just equal. It's not like that we are not doing anything. Manifestation includes hard work, but with a positive energy mind, positive energy mind, optimistic mind, that yes, we can get it. Whenever we think about like kash ye mil jaye, may I got this, or then suddenly after a few minutes we think about what if I did not get it. It is the mistake. The negative point comes into our mind, that is the mistake. Manifestation is the technique to like to recover this mistake. It is a positive attitude. It's a kind is a technique to pray positively and to achieve things. It's a magic, like subconscious mind and its powers exist before I and you, before the whole world exists, before this universe even exists. These are the powers of electrons, these are the powers of thinkings, of visuals, of mind, of soul, and they can do anything. Like we need to practice and manifest until and unless the wish is fulfilled. I also read a sentence that was a phrase, and I'm not getting it. It's like keep on keeping on until the day breaks and the shadow flew away. Work, think, and manifest till the time, until the moment you achieve what you manifested for. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, like if you want to motivate or encourage me, you can just click on the like button or comment anything. And also, maybe it seems very easy, that it's easy to speak in front of the camera, and there is a difference between speaking to yourself alone and versus speaking in front of the camera, because I cannot speak endlessly. I don't have an hour to speak, and I cannot record and post a 1 hour conversation. I can talk to myself alone in my backyard or in my corridor, like for a lot of time, a long conversations, but on camera it is not possible. So I do not need to take breaks, and I have to talk continuous, and I have to talk the right things, the correct things, with the correct manner and with the correct English also. So I haven't used any crazy word except the phrase. Like I learned this phrase today. I repeat it. Keep on keeping on. It's keep on keeping on until the day breaks and the shadow flee away. And it's like do the thing or keep going on until the shadow, the doubts or the problems flew away and you get the success. It's all about that. So thank you. And one another word I can remember today is inference. Inference like guessing something, and it's equal to inference. Inference like predicting something, guessing something is equal to inference. Second is fled. Flew means bhag jana. Fled away, like the thieves fled away with 1 lakh money. The thieves fled away to America with 1 lakh money, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.